didn't monkey around when researching the various AC seals used on 68 to 82 Corvettes. My GM part manuals are torn to tatters from use and annotated with the results from the GM purchases. We also studied and measured actual GM evaporator cases, AC heater core cases, distributor left and right ducts, and more. Our prior 3 AC videos illustrate these parts in detail that we assembled to produce kits to recondition this 68 to 82 climate control system. We began by offering 2 seal kits, one for 68 to 77 and another for 78 to 82. Always intent on improving these aids, we added parts and split the 68-77 kit into 68-72 and 73 to 77 kits. Today we offer kits specific to your model year. In this manner, you don't have extra parts left over not used on your Corvette. They all include more parts, semi-tubular rivets, and even the evaporator case drain hose, which is critical in preventing the freeze-up of the evaporator core. Zip did not develop anything. They literally bought our kit and made sham incomplete copies. Compare this 68 to 77 trash for only $49.95 to any of the 4 kits we offer for less money. DocRebuild developed these seal kits, 68 only, 69 to 71, 72.3, and 74 to 77. All of them have more parts and are less expensive than anything from Zip. Zip also copied our other old 78 to 82 AC seal kit, and theirs is only $44.95. Quite a value, eh? DocRebuild offers 2 kits, 78.9 and 80.82, both more complete and both less expensive. And all of our kits include illustrated, detailed instructions to facilitate your restoration. On the Corvette forum, Justin Abbott denigrates me by falsely stating I claimed invention of these parts. That is a malicious lie to confuse you and impugn my integrity, as I've never made any such claim. My claim is being the first to repro these parts and the comprehensive kits to restore the AC climate system. When I developed these kits in the 1980s, Abbott was in junior high school. He didn't even work for Zip until years after they were developed. The owner of Zip, David Walker, uses Abbott to distribute his falsehoods, and Abbott perfectly fits the urban definition of a lapdog. Zip copied so many of our repros, including ones with errors, including purposeful mistakes. I added this cartoon to the back of a paper catalog. If you copy a repro, it may not be authentic. It may be a trick or a trap.